Become AutoCAD expert step by step. Hello friends, I am your guide Amit Garg and you are watching my channel CAD by Amit. Friends, in the previous lecture we covered the concept of angles and I hope that particular concept is very clear to you and now you can use the angles in AutoCAD software like a pro. In this new lecture friends, I am going to cover a very important and a new concept which is the concept of working with coordinates. Friends, in two-dimensional drawing making, we have two types of coordinates. Number one, the Cartesian coordinates. The number two, the polar coordinates. In this lecture, we are going to cover the Cartesian coordinates. So let's get started. Friends, this diagram that you have in front of you is created so that the Cartesian coordinate system becomes very clear to us. A Cartesian coordinate system format is x coordinate, y coordinate. And we are working with absolute Cartesian coordinate in this particular drawing. Absolute Cartesian coordinate means we are considering x coordinates and the y coordinates with respect to the origin point. Friends, we normally keep the lower left point of the screen as the origin point. Here the origin point is denoted by letter O. This origin point has x coordinate value and the y coordinate value always on 0, 0. Now to make absolute Cartesian coordinate clear, I have made one geometry here in the shape of a rectangle A, B, C and D, and we have calculated all the four corner points considering the absolute Cartesian coordinates. So let us calculate the absolute Cartesian coordinates for all the four corner points so that we can make the same geometry using the line command in model space. A point coordinate will be 30, 20 because this point A is at a horizontal distance of 30 millimeters from the origin point along the x-axis. So its x coordinate will be 30. While the y coordinate of point A will be 20 because the vertical distance of point A from origin point is 20 millimeters along the y-axis. So absolute Cartesian coordinate for point A is 30, 20. Now absolute Cartesian coordinate of point B will be 130, 20. Because the horizontal distance of point B from the origin point is 30 millimeters plus 100 millimeters. So x coordinate will be 130 and the y coordinate of point B will be same as of point A because both the points are in the same horizontal alignment. So absolute Cartesian coordinate for point B is 130, 20. Absolute Cartesian coordinate for point C will be 130, 70 because horizontal distance is 130 and the vertical distance will be 20 plus 50. So this will be 130, 70. And finally, point D will have a absolute Cartesian coordinate 30, 70 because the horizontal distance is 30 and the vertical distance is 20 plus 50, that means 70. So once we calculate the Cartesian coordinates of all the 4 points, we can create this geometry quickly. So let's move to the model space. Friends, before we start making the drawing, we have to set the units first. So I go for a UN command, which is a shortcut for units command. Here the length type is set to decimal, precision is okay, angle type is okay, and insertion scale is also set to millimeters. So I say okay. And then afterwards we set the limits command. Lower left corner is set to 0, 0 and upper right corner is set to 250, 150. So this is also fine. And after this we give zoom, enter, all enter. So all is set. Now I take the line command from here. The first point coordinate is 30, 20. So we get this point A. The B point is 130, 20. So we get point A. Now point C coordinates are 130, 70. Point D coordinates are 30, 70 and at this point we can simply type down C for the close option so that we close this geometry and we get this rectangular geometry created using the line command. And here we have used absolute Cartesian coordinate system. So I hope this is clear to you. Now friends, this geometry is created, this drawing is created so that we can understand our relative Cartesian coordinate now. And the format for the relative Cartesian coordinate is @x, y. We put a symbol of @ before the x and y coordinates because now we want to make this Cartesian coordinate as relative Cartesian coordinate. That means the reference is taken from the previous point. The horizontal distance and the vertical distance are calculated from the previous point only. So let's get started from point A. The Cartesian coordinate for point A is to be taken as absolute Cartesian coordinate because this is the first point of our drawing. So we'll take this as 30, 20. But for point B, we are going to put relative Cartesian coordinate format. And here I'll say @. Now the horizontal distance is taken from previous point A only. So x coordinate will be 100 and the y coordinate will be 0 because both the points are in the same horizontal alignment. So the relative Cartesian coordinate for point B should be @100, 0. Now for point C, the relative Cartesian coordinate will be @0, 50 because horizontal displacement is 0 and the vertical displacement is 50. And for point D, the relative Cartesian coordinate is -100, 0 because horizontal displacement is towards left hand side from point C. So value is to be taken with minus sign and the vertical displacement is 0. So once we calculate the relative Cartesian coordinates for these vertex points, we can make this geometry quickly. So let's go to the model space. So friends, units and limits are already set. We go for a line command. The first point A coordinates are 30, 20. This is given in absolute Cartesian coordinates. I press enter. Now for point B, I will type down @100, 0. This is relative Cartesian coordinate and see point B is created. Then afterwards I say @0, 50. So point C is also done and for point D I say @-100, 0, enter, and then finally we say C for close and press enter. So this geometry is created very quickly. So friends, you must have seen like working with the relative Cartesian coordinate is comparatively simpler compared to absolute Cartesian coordinate. This is the reason we normally work with relative Cartesian coordinates only. So friends, I hope this Cartesian coordinate system, the concept of Cartesian coordinates is absolutely clear to you and now you can use it for making your drawings very, very easily. Now friends, if you like this lecture, please like it and share it to your friends, and do not forget to subscribe my channel so that you keep getting my new lectures. And also do not forget to press bell icon. So friends, see you in the next lecture where we are going to cover the polar coordinates. Thank you and take care.